Jaguar X-Type Project 7, a very cool looking casting. And our first one here is in a nice looking light blue color. And a very unique feature of all of the Project 7s is that stripe that kind of comes across the front right there, as you can see. And great looking tempo work for this F-Type Project 7. Blacked out wheels for this one, white lip on there, and I love that spoiler on there. It looks really good. We'll throw this one just right up in that area right there. Next one we have is this red one right here, red one with the black wheels. And there's this little dot thing that they have on the back and on the side as well. That's kind of the F-Type Project 7 uniqueness to it. That's one of their color ways of doing it, but there we go. Great tempo work again on the front. There's that big stripe on there. Very cool looking, aggressive car. One of the coolest sounding cars in real life as well. And then we got some kind of similar color variations to it. Here's our first one right here, very glossy, as you can see, blacked out wheels. There it is from our front end. I think this is like the classic Jaguar color. There we go. We'll throw that one up there. And our next one, again, very similar to it. Blacked out wheels, different wheels on this one. These ones, we haven't seen these wheels on any other ones as of yet. And there it is from the back, nice big rear spoiler on there. And from the side, great tempo work on the front and overhead as well. This one's got some sort of like sparkle flake to it, as you can see. Very cool, I like it. And then our next one, it's kind of, again, like the dark green. It's almost black. I guess you could call this one black. I don't know. It's hard to tell exactly what color it is depending on what I see in my light. This one looks maybe more black than the other ones. And this one's got the gray wheels on there. Classic dots for that Project 7. There's that big white stripe and the nice tempo works on there. Great interior on that one. There we go. Throw that one up there. And then we do have one special one. It is the Hot Wheels ID 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7 Hot Wheels ID edition. Let's look at the Hot Wheels ID box, and there we go. We can see it just sitting right there. Kind of gives some Series 1 and some information for Hot Wheels ID, factory fresh Project 7. There we go. Let's have a look at this one. And all the Hot Wheels ID cars, the paint on it is that Spectra Flame paint job, and I absolutely love the look of these wheels as well. Black wheels, and it's got those like kind of tire letters on there. A lot more details in the back, more tempo work on the back. Hot Wheels ID on the back of there as well for that license plate. And then from the front end, again, great tempo work, great looking paint job. I think this is probably, it's got to be one of the best ones. I mean, it is more price-wise more expensive, but I think it's just kind of the best looking with that paint job, as well as those black wheels and those tire letterings on there. There they all are, 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, comment down below your favorite of these 6, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.